Hey everyone, welcome to Snap Connect, my first mobile application ever built with React Native. Hope you like it. We were tasked to build a social media clone of Snapchat with modern day AI features. I wanted to build Snapchat for fitness enthusiasts and community driven people. My point of view is that generally speaking, for people to become physically active, they need motivation from multiple sources, right? Just having like a coach specifically is helpful, but may not get you all the way over the hump. Just having a friend or something like that might not help you. But what we wanted to create here is a next generation context aware experience. This is the profile page. So it's set up similar to Instagram. You can look at your friends, you can add your profile, look at your messages. Next section of the app that I want to highlight is just our camera features, which I just did a simple one here. You can record a photo or a video, you can add your own things on top of it, and it's gonna work similar to Snapchat. Now, the first key feature that I really wanna focus on though is our Discover page. So first thing that you're gonna notice is my username is Test. You'll see I posted a picture of my running shoes. Photo looks just okay, it is what it is. Now, first thing you're gonna notice, there's 10 likes and 15 comments. So why is that? Well, we have a number of AIs that are gonna be commenting on user posts throughout our app with context-aware comments. Now you'll see that there's an important thing here that I posted. You'll see my green shoes of this caption. Now look at the actual comments themselves. Green kicks are ready for more. What's next on your list? Way to cook up those miles, etc. Way to go in those 4 miles. And so how do the AIs know this? They're using a computer use program to actually see what's in the photo, and then they're looking at the caption itself. They're taking that into context. So why is that important? Well, it makes the comments more context aware. We can design a system that sort of comments things in different orders, and so you're always getting sort of new motivation on the app. You'll see we have various AI users that post all the time, and there are definitely other AIs commenting on them. That context aware thing follows everything throughout the app. Now, we're in the click section. Users can write down workout notes, workout buddies. These are other users on the app. You can look at their profiles. You can also join groups in our app, find your tribes, which in a production environment would match users by fitness level, location, to help you find your workout crew. So Click is all about trying to find your people. Now let's get to the actual core features of the app. Now, in our workout section, you can generate a walk or a workout with AI. I'm just gonna do a sample one. I just clicked on upper body strength builder workout, and you'll see that AI generated beginner level strength builder workout, push-ups, pike push-ups, tricep dips, tips and guidelines, modifications, expected benefits. I can RSVP to that app. I can RSVP to a walk as well, or I can create my own workout. Now, let's focus on the core AI features, all right? So the first one that I want you to notice is our messages section. In our messages section, our AIs are not just bots, right? Every AI, all 70 of them in our app, have their own personality traits, their own unique system prompts, and their own way that they interact with users. So they're not just coaches, right? And so this particular one, Emma, was talking about meditation, and I'm responding, we're having this conversation. Same thing with any of the AIs here. Why do I have this in place? What you're gonna notice is they always sort of redirect the user back to the core goal of doing more fitness and workouts. And so all of these chats are different personalities, but they're a little less abrasive than like a coach. It's gonna take your location into context. And so hopefully this idea is that users need different perspectives to truly keep them motivated. And now what does that all lead into? The final and kind of core feature of the app is Coach Alex, your personalized fitness companion. So Alex will take, in a production environment, would take a lot of context, right? He would take all of the conversations that you've had in our app, all of the things that you indicated, your goals and onboarding, as well as all of your posting behavior and activity. All of that is going to get fed into the context for Alex. And so you'll see here, we're just using mock data, but in this case, this was kind of similar. If you guys have an iPhone, you have your health portal, and it gives you your streaks and averages. And so Coach Alex is a chatbot you can talk to about pretty much anything. So I just sent a message here that said, hey Alex, how would you recommend to prepare for an upper body workout? Hey Test, it's gonna give you all this stuff, right? Then it's gonna give you all these different things, hydrate well, proper form, etc. And then I'll say, hey, what's a good meal to eat after the working out? Hey Test, great question. You wanna have a balanced meal of carbs, energy stores, healthy fats. It'll give you some suggestions, things like that. Coach Alex has a ton of context on the user, and it makes all of his responses context aware. And so the idea here is that people will spend time on social media no matter what. But what if we could think about social media from good? What can it do for people? And my belief system is that just the coaching feature alone is not enough. But what if we had proactive that work on kind of creating friendships, creating bonds with people, being proactive with commenting and giving them support, things like that. And also just gave them different perspectives, right? So we built kind of the digital humans on our app to not be coaches. I mean, we built them to hold the personality of like a lawyer or a firefighter or, a teacher, things like that. And I understand that sounds crazy, but think about it like this. If you're trying to accomplish a goal, isn't it better if you have a whole tribe of people trying to help you accomplish that goal? In a real world user scenario, that social sort of like, hey, camaraderie, helping each other would be a core feature. But I don't want that to stop users from using something. So you could talk to Chris or Jake or Emma or Coach Alex or any of these people that actually help you reach your